Dear students, good morning. It is Subramanya Bhagwat from AITM Bhatkal. We are studying data warehousing and data mining, where third model we are studying association analysis. In data mining and data warehousing, third model association analysis. What are the things are very important? Let me explain that things. So concept will be very clear to you. Wait. Yeah. First, we'll study about association analysis. What is that association? Any equation is in the form of x implies y. So this is called an association. What is that? What are the rules of that association? We'll study. Then problem definitions. We are going to study about problem definitions. Some problem definitions. There we are going to study about calculations of support and calculations of confidence. Wait. Afterwards, wait. After this, we are going to study about frequent item set generation. There, what is how do you define a frequent item set? That in any equation, what are the or any transactions I call many item sets will be there. Which item sets are frequent? We will find out that things by using a priori algorithm and FP growth algorithms. We will find out that things. Then we will study about the alternative methods for generating frequent item sets. Then evaluation of association patterns. We will study that things. Now wait. Here, very important thing what you have to understand. Wait. Yeah. First, I will explain you the important thing. Then I'll come to that assignment. Okay. Now, please, all of you observe here. Here, okay. Any equation is in the form of x implies y. Okay. Wait. Any equation. Yeah. Yeah. Any equation is in the form of x implies y. This is known as association, where there should be two disjoint sets. X and y should be two disjoint sets. Example through I explain, so that concept will be very clear to you. Okay. Now, one transaction T1, it contains coffee, Bournvita, and Horlicks. I will take CBH. C stands for coffee, B stands for Bournvita, H stands for Horlicks. This is an example. Okay. Then T2 transaction. Okay. Uh, that contains coffee, tea, and Bournvita. B. Okay. Now observe this. Okay. I want to find. I'm telling that things like. Okay. Yeah. Copy implies Bournvita. C implies B. Okay. Calculate the support and confidence. Okay. Now observe this. This equation. This equation is in the form of x implies y. Where this first left hand side, this is C, is nothing but x. Right hand side is nothing but y. Will you agree my point, right? Now please observe this. Okay. Now I am calculating support and confidence. What is the support and confidence? Support says, support formula says, if any equation is in the form of, wait, x implies y, wait, x implies y, support is nothing but, combinations of, wait, combinations of, yeah, I will write here. Combinations of x and y, means x union y. X and y, how many times available in the transaction, divided by total number of transactions. Is it clear to you? I think. Yeah, wait. This is called support. Support says in a equation, x and y, how many times available, divided by total number of transactions. Wait. Now, what we do? Yeah. we will calculate the support and confidence for this. Okay, so the concept will be very clear to you. Support, okay, is nothing but you know that things. How many times this is x, this is y. How many times this BC is available in the equation divided by total number of equations. This BC, okay, C and B, how many times available, okay, together. Here C and B is the one equation it is available. Wait, one equation it is available. Here C and B, another equation it is available. So total two equations available out of total equations 2. So this 2 by 2 is 1. Support is 1. Then what is confidence? What is confidence? How do you calculate the confidence? Okay, wait. Yeah. Now confidence is, please all of you observe, confidence is very simple. Calculation is very simple. Here x union y, an equation is in the form of x implies y, that time, okay, x union y divided by x. How many transaction contains x union y, x and y divided by total how many transaction contains x. Okay, I have to calculate this. Okay, here observe this. If you carefully observe this equation while calculating the confidence of this equation, okay, how many times, okay, B and C available, okay, B is available, C is available, this equation available, B, sorry, yeah, B, C implies B, he has given. Okay, so yeah, it was C actually. It is C. How many times B and C available? Yeah, two times. So two times B and C available divided by how many times C only available? Okay, how many times C only available? Two times. Okay, so it is 2 by 2, 1. Okay, now like this way, okay, we will calculate lot of problems are there. Okay, we will calculate it. Wait. Okay, now what we do, some problems we will take, some problems through we will calculate this thing. So concept will be very clear to you. Okay, this is a given one problem. uh, First transaction here, okay, observe this. Here total 5 transactions are available. Okay, first transaction, okay, wait, pen, sorry, pencil, okay, notebook, book, mobile. Where second transactions, okay, like this way, total 5 transactions he has given here. Okay, observe this. First pencil, notebook, book, and mobile. Second transaction pen. Second transaction pen, pencil, notebook, book. Third transaction pen, pencil. Fourth transaction pen, pencil, notebook, and mobile. Okay. Fifth transaction pen, notebook, book, and TV. Now you have to calculate this. Pencil, notebook implies book. Okay. This pencil, notebook implies book, he says. This pencil notebook, I call it as X here. This book, I call it as Y. So how many transactions? Okay, here contains pencil, notebook, book. How many transactions? Pencil, notebook, book, one transaction, no doubt at all. Then pencil, notebook, book. Pencil, notebook, book, two transactions. Am I correct? Pencil, notebook, book, correct. Third transaction, pen, pencil is the not there. Fourth transaction, pen, yeah, pen, pencil, notebook, mobile is there. Where book is not there. Fifth transaction, pen, notebook, book. Am I right? So here, if you observe this, pencil, notebook, book. Okay, pencil, notebook, book. Okay, first transaction, yeah, first transaction, pencil, notebook, book. Second transaction, third transaction. Okay, this is notebook is sorry, notebook is not available as well as book is also not available. Okay, fourth transaction, pencil is there, notebook is there, but book is not available. Fifth transaction, pencil is not available. So only two transactions, not three, two transactions. Okay, only two transactions we have this thing. So it is 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Wait. So support is nothing but 2 by 5. Okay. that is nothing but support is nothing but 2 by 5 point 0.4. I call it as point 0.4. 0 point is point, it is 0 0.4. Okay. Now confidence for first. Okay. Pencil, notebook, book, how many times available? Divide by, okay, only pencil, notebook means divided by x, means x is pencil, notebook. Okay. Pencil, notebook, how many times available? Pencil, notebook, okay, here one time available. Pencil, notebook, two times available. Third pencil is the notebook is there. Fourth pencil is the notebook is there. So it is available. For fifth one, no, it is 2 by 3. That is nothing but, okay, 0.67 or 66 point something. Okay, that is a confidence. So we understood for this support is S4. Okay, S is zero point 0.4, confidence is 0.66. Okay, for this. Okay, first problem. What is the answer for second problem? For this you calculate it now. Pencil, book implies notebook. Please calculate it. Pencil and notebook is nothing but x. Okay, notebook is for y. I'll give you 2 minutes. Just calculate it and verify the answers. Okay. Yes. Have calculated? Yeah, it's very simple. Pencil, book, notebook. How many times? Okay, available. Pencil, book, notebook. Okay. First support. Pencil. Okay. Pencil, book, notebook together. Pencil, book, notebook one time available. Pencil. Okay. Notebook, book two times available. uh, third, no, pencil, no. Fourth, pencil, notebook, okay, mobile is there, book is not there. Fifth one, pen, notebook, book, TV, no there. Only two times it's available. So it is 2 by, okay, total transactions. How many transactions are available? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 transactions. So 2 by 5, point 0.4 is support, okay, very easy. Then what is the confidence for this? What is confidence? Calculate it fast. What is this confidence? Okay, simple. Pencil, book, notebook, how many times available? Two times. We know that things. Divide by how many times only pencil and book is available. Divide by x, pencil and book. Pencil and book. Pencil, book, one time available. Pencil and book, okay, two time available. This not there. Pencil not there. Pencil and book, he says. Am I right? Yeah. Pencil, fourth transaction, pencil and notebook is not available. Fifth transaction, it is not available. If you observe these things, pencil and book, okay, pencil and book, one transaction, first transaction, then pencil and book, second transaction. Third transaction not there, okay, because third transaction, pencil is there, book is not there. Fourth transaction, same, pencil is there, book is not there. Fifth transaction, book is there, pencil is not there. So only two transactions. So it confidence is 2 by 2. That is nothing but 1. Like this way, okay, you have to calculate for support and confidence for all. Now calculate it fast for next. Okay, book implies, okay, pencil, notebook, okay, this one, fourth transactions calculated for this. Book implies pencil, notebook. So book, pencil, notebook, okay, together how many times is the book, pencil, notebook? One time it is the book, pencil, notebook, right? Book, pencil, notebook. Here two times is the third point. No, book is not there. Fourth point, book is not there. Fifth point, book is there. Yeah, book is there, but pencil, notebook. Notebook is there, pencil is not there. So it is two times. Support is 2 by 5. That's nothing but 0.4. Okay. Okay, next one, by calculating confidence for these. Okay, this simple, book, pencil, notebook, how many times available? Two times. Divide by how many time only book is available? Divide by x, only how many times book is available? If you observe this, book is available here one time, book is available here two times. Then third point, no. Fourth point, no, book is not available. Fifth point, book is available. So it is 2 by 3, that is 0.67. Confidence is 0.67. Like this way, you have to calculate all support and confidence, it is very useful to find out the next some algorithm frequent items. Example, what is frequent items? Let me tell you, so the concept will be very clear to you. Wait, yeah, if you observe this, okay, if you observe, okay, it's very important to find out the frequent item sets, okay. Suppose, okay, first equation transaction T1 contains X, A, B. Second transaction contains A, B, something C. Okay, now no doubt this two XAB and ABC, these are all this. Okay, no doubt this item sets. But if you observe carefully, first transaction A is the, second transaction also A is the. Okay, first transaction B is the, second transaction B is the. This A and B are known as frequent item sets. To find the frequent item sets, we have two algorithms. Next one is a priori algorithm. Next one is, okay, this one, FP tree. That's FP growth tree, frequent pattern growth tree. That we'll study in next classes. The main thing is that here we must know how to calculate the support and confidence. Support and confidence. Okay. Now, next class we will study in detail. Wish you all the best.